Friends, request you to subscribe my YouTube channel Express Naukri. Shaktiman Agro is a leading Indian agricultural implements manufacturer company with a history of over a decade. The company envisioned to mechanize Indian agriculture completely. Shaktiman Agro is a leading agricultural manufacturing company looking for some talented candidates for Rajkot location. 1. Supplier Quality Engineer NPD Quality. 1 Position. Qualification required Diploma or BA in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 5 to 7 years. Salary range is 5 to 6 lakhs. 2. Civil Engineer. 1 Position. Qualification required Diploma or BA in Civil Engineering. Experience required 4 to 6 years. Salary 5 to 6 lakhs. 3. Assembly Engineer. 4 Position. Qualification required Diploma or BA in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 5 to 7 years. Salary 5 to 6 lakhs. 4. Spare Parts or Blade Engineer. 1 Position. Qualification required Diploma or BA in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 4 to 5 years. Salary 4 to 5 lakhs. 5. Engineer or Senior Engineer Design. 2 Position. Qualification required Diploma or BA in Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 4 to 6 years. Salary 4 to 5 lakhs. 6. Engineer Metallurgy. 1 Position. Qualification required Diploma or BA Metallurgy. Experience required 2 to 4 years. Salary 3 to 3.5 lakhs. 7. Engineer Tool Room. 2 Position. Qualification required Diploma or BA Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 3 to 5 years. Salary 3 to 3.5 lakhs. 8. Engineer or Senior Engineer Costing. 2 Position. Qualification required Diploma or BA Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 5 to 7 years. Salary 5 to 7 lakhs. Interested candidates can share their profile on given email address. Friends, like and share this video, and if you are new then subscribe our channel Express Naukri. Thank you.